going to ask you a really unfair question because and going back to almost the basics, like, so when should someone really call you? Like when, because I know sometimes I've had a couple of people
Right.
call me when they've had a huge fight and they're all riled up and they're ready to go. And then a few days later they calm down like, well, I'm going to take my time.
Yeah. I like to talk to anybody when they're thinking about it, because I think that knowledge is power to, get someone through figuring out what's going on. So sometimes someone's being gaslit, and husband says to wife, you're not getting anything. None of this is yours. It's all mine. I've been the only earner the whole time during the marriage, like we were talking about, and you're not on title to the house. You don't get any of it, even though the house was purchased during marriage and title doesn't control. If I can talk to wife and I can say, none of that is true, that he's telling you, that isn't the law, then that might make her feel better. And maybe she's not ready to file today, but maybe it puts her in the right mindset. So I like to talk to people whenever.
I'm assuming some of this information is on your website, right? I mean,
yes.
If he's not wanting to talk to someone, can they go on your website?
They can. Absolutely. I'll send you my website so that you can post it as well. And then we do free initial consultations.
Okay.
And the first question that we ask is, are you ready to be divorced? Because maybe that's a no.
That's a rough question. I paused for a second. I'm like, I don't know if how to answer that.
Well, and maybe it's not right now. And maybe you want to file for divorce so that you can establish that date of separation. And then maybe you want to try to reconcile. And the court always gives time for that.
Okay. Well, thank you, Elizabeth. I think you answered a lot.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Are there any other anything else you wanted to throw in? Because this is all me asking you questions. Anything you want to talk about, or you feel like this is a great start for us?
I think that this is a great start. I always want my client to realize that, especially when they have children, the other party, even though they may not be in love anymore and they may not be friends anymore, they're still going to be parents of their children for all of the years. Even after their children are no longer minors, they're still going to have life events to celebrate and be around each other. And so, be kind. And if you can work that out, then you're on, and you just need a little bit of help on the money issues. It's a great start.
Well, I'm going to also then hold you to, I'm going to definitely have you back because I want to ask you some more questions, and we definitely will do this again. Thank you so much for this.
Okay. Thanks, Sanjay.
All right. Take care.